All right, welcome back. So it's the holiday weekend coming up and you're running around, you're getting all your shopping done, you're getting all your menu items, and you think, oh my God, what am I gonna do for the centerpiece? Guess what, Georgina? We have it right here. Welcome from the Garden Center, Shannon Linden-Smith.
Hello.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
You're so welcome. This is great.
Yes.
I love spring.
It's a really nice time of year. You finally get to see color again. The smells are back in the air.
Exactly, exactly.
And they smell so good.
Yeah.
Smell.
Yes, the hyacinths.
Strong.
Yes.
It's sweet.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Sure sign of spring.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes. So what we're going to do, you guys don't mind getting a little dirty
No,
today?
let's go for it.
We're going to make these cute little, you can use it as a centerpiece, a place setting spot.
So cute.
Anything you want, or just in the house to smell good.
Yeah.
So I'll rip these apart for you. This is just in a 7-inch pot. There's multiple bulbs in here.
Okay.
I'll rip it apart just so you guys don't get too dirty of hands, because you guys are dressed so nice today. And then I'll give you each one.
Okay.
And what we're going to do is we're going to, first I'll give you that one first, because
All right.
you'll have to brush some of the soil off, because especially since your glass is clear, and you can do
Okay.
this in any container you have.
Okay, yeah.
So especially since yours is clear, if you
Yep.
leave too much soil on there, then it will fill with
Okay.
soil. So if you
So am I
use
just
your
brushing
little
off the
paintbrush,
roots?
yep,
All right.
just clean that all off.
Good stuff.
And I'll give this one to you. And when you do this, you could take this right out to make it a little easier out of the pot, but we're trying to not make a giant
So
mess
this
today.
will just survive now in the water
Yeah,
and
we're
the
gonna
stones?
when we're done, we add a tiny bit of water just for the roots, not for the bulb itself.
Yeah, okay.
So if you want to open up this and put a little bit of stone in the bottom, and the stone is just to help support the bulb.
Okay,
You can put a bit of in the bottom of each.
for it, yeah.
Now, how long will the plant last?
It depends on
we removed
how
it this way.
warm your house is. Because if
Okay.
you have a really warm house, if you've had bulbs before, you know, as soon as you hit the heat, they
Right.
blast open.
Yes, exactly.
If your house is a little cooler, then they'll
Pretty.
last long. They'll definitely last through Easter and a little bit longer. They're not like a forever
yeah,
plant by
yeah,
any means.
exactly.
Shannon,
So
more
that
than
was
that?
But it is great to bring
Right,
in
that's
the
good for
live live flowers and live plants to the house.
Right.
I love bringing that into
So now
inside.
tuck yours in.
Okay.
And kind of spin it around.
So
Yep.
the roots are kind of just, yeah, I
Yep.
got you.
And then you're going to put some more stone around just to support around the bulb.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do one here too. And the one glass that we have here, that one's just like an old little vase I had. These two are recycled glass.
Great.
Which is
Really nice.
Yep, so put that all around there. Yep.
All right.
Okay,
good
so
stuff.
once it
that kinda
stands
good?
on its own,
Yeah, it's a
you're
bit
good.
zippy, but we're okay.
Yep.
We're good.
See, this is great graph for the
oh yeah,
kids, right?
Oh, it's
Yeah.
so, and it's so easy and quick. It
Wanna
doesn't
give
take
them
long.
out?
Yeah.
For everyone at dinner?
Exactly. Yeah, they'd be
Yeah.
great.
you
Single
put
little
yours
place
in.
settings too would really work.
So, you've topped yours completely with the stone,
Yeah.
which you can do that look. You
Yep.
can do, if you want to do...
Smaller pebbles?
Yep, some
Okay.
smaller pebbles.
Yeah. Oh, these are pretty.
Yeah, they are.
These are really
nice
pretty.
and springy.
Yeah.
And you can even add bits of moss. This is reindeer moss. It's really soft. And it will dry out, but if it gets water on it, feel that, it's even spongier. And you can get
yeah.
this in different colors too. So you can put that on top too, and around. You can cover it all, or just little pieces in and around the stone.
Yep.
And same with yours.
I'm going to do a little
Yeah,
bit
so
of
we
this.
did a video on this too. We do videos on our Facebook and Instagram all the time.
Nice. Yeah.
So we did do a video on this as well, so if someone at home wants to do it. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
and you've
finish
got a
mine up there.
podcast that you guys are doing too, right?
Yes,
What's that all about?
It's so exciting. So me and my friend Katie,
Who is not a
who
green
knows
thumb.
nothing about gardening, and
Okay.
it's kind of hilarious sometimes. And she comes up with really good questions, and she sometimes thinks they're stupid questions, but I say everyone always has the same question, so
Yeah.
no
Ask
question
it.
is stupid.
Yeah, exactly.
So we are set out to teach everyone, and I'm teaching her how to garden through a podcast. So each
Nice.
time we have a different topic.
Yeah.
We will answer people's questions. Some people will ask us, will
Yep.
write in questions or ask us at the garden center.
Yep.
And anyone can feel free to
ask a question.
Yes,
send a
exactly.
question.
And
Great.
don't feel bad about the question, because again, everyone always has the same question.
Yeah,
It's
you don't
not-
know what you
yours
don't
is not
know
a
till
unique
you-
question. Exactly.
So you figure it out. Exactly.
So we do that. We release, right now we're releasing them about once a week.
Okay.
And at the beginning of our podcast, we actually have a cup of tea first.
Yeah, so it's very informal.
It very
Yeah.
informal.
Casual
Yeah.
Yes,
and
and it's
fun.
not edited. So
Yeah.
if I say something wrong or make a mistake or either of us, it's there.
it's out there now.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like what
And-
we do here on live TV. Exactly.
Exactly. So Yeah, it's 20 minutes long, so it's not long.
Yeah.
It's a quick, easy, if you're just driving to Newmarket, whatever, you can listen to it, or cleaning
Short
the
and
house
sweet.
or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we do all different topics. We've done like garden cleanup for the spring, what you have to do right now. We've talked about Easter flowers, a whole bunch, yeah.
So what should we be doing right now with the garden? Because I read something on Facebook that we should not be lifting up all of that sort of like leftover stuff because there's critters and things
Yes,
that...
a lot of them should be kind of good to go now.
Yeah.
And if you're concerned and you don't want, by all means, don't. But you can always still get out there and start cleaning
things are
up
starting
some of it.
to...
Exactly, and you can't wait too long.
Right, exactly.
So if you are concerned, you can leave some of it or leave the spots you're, you know there's something in that area.
Yeah.
But you have bulbs and stuff coming up.
Yes.
And now's the time to start, you have to rake your grass, seed it,
Yes.
fertilize, all that fun
Yeah,
stuff.
I'm already...
sun to get to it, right?
Yes,
So
exactly.
everything
And
can
if you
pop.
leave stuff too long, it could create problems down the road too. So you
Yeah.
do want to.
Yeah, my
get
instinct
out
when
there.
I see those little green buds coming up, it's, oh my God, clear
you can
it, clear it.
Yeah, clean around those areas.
Yeah, give it some sun, give
Yeah.
it some space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then if you don't want to get out to the garden yet, or it's still too cold for you or anything like that, you can come in and do the indoor stuff. So
Yeah.
this is a
These
nice
are great.
compromise. You can't do it
Yes.
outside, but you can do it inside.
It's a little fix.
And that was so easy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and they're
Right?
beautiful.
Yeah,
they
so
really are.
now when you would get it home or wherever into your spot,
Yep.
you're gonna put water in. And yours is the easiest one to see. So your
Yep.
bulb, the bottom of it, it's about right there.
Okay.
So you're not gonna put any water above that because you don't want the bulb to sit in water. You just want
You just
the roots.
want the roots to be able to drink.
Yes. So just a
basically.
little bit of water, and then
Great.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's so adorable.
Yeah. So yeah, if anyone has any requests or concerns or anything like that for podcasts, just ask us and we'll
All right.
answer them. And
The
it's
offer's
just
out
lots of
there,
fun.
Georgina, exactly.
We're on our
Get your
seventh,
questions in.
yeah, our
Okay.
seventh podcast. And also, if anyone has, I had a lady come in the other day, and she, if you've listened to her podcast, I had a
I listened to the
rooibos
first
tea.
two.
I had a rooibos tea, and I'm glad there wasn't a camera on me. It was so bad. Oh my gosh, I was making horrible faces. And so she came into the garden center. She's like, I can't believe you don't like it. It's my favorite tea. Try this one. So there is a podcast coming up with her suggestion on a tea to try.
Okay,
So even
okay.
if someone has a tea that they want us to try and
Recommend.
talk about, yeah.
Okay.
'Cause we always talk about tea as well.
Yeah, I like Robio's tea. It's a bit of an acquired, but it's a
Yes,
good one.
I know.
Yeah.
So yeah, we need to wrap this up. There's
Yes.
so much information, and we can get a lot more by going onto the podcast.
Yes. We have it
Georgina
on.
Garden Center.
Yep.
Thank you so much for coming,
Thank you.
Shannon.
you.
We will be back with our very own Jennifer Anderson. Stay tuned.